so metropolitan area network, some applications also there. Okay, so the MAN can be used to provide services including telecoms, internet access, television, and CCTV for the business and citizens in the metropolitan area. Okay, so different applications of your MAN. Okay, so after that, next type is WAN, wide area network. So what is wide area network? It is also called as WAN. WAN can be a private or it can be a public lease network. Okay, so second point is it is used for the network that covers the large distance, such as cover states of countries. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, so one by one we have covered the points. Okay, so LAN network is small. After that, MAN network covers entire city, and again WAN network covers entire states or entire country. Okay, so there is little bit difference are there. Okay, so then fourth point is it is not easy to design and maintain. So maintenance of your wide area network is little bit difficult. So expert persons are hired for to find the difficulties or provide the services for your wide area network. So communication medium used by WAN or PSTN or satellite links. Okay, so after that, WAN operates on low data rates. Okay, so actually the LAN operates higher data rates, WAN operates low data rates. Okay, so after that, next point is wide area network. It covers worldwide. Okay, so different organization uses the WAN networks. It covers the large distance. Okay, so after that, the best example of your WAN network, WAN diagram. Okay, so suppose this is the bus network. Bus topology is there, one router is there. Okay, so this is your ISP, internet service provider. So any Idea, Jio, Vodafone, Tata. Okay, so after that, this is another router and this is another topology. Okay, so this is the best example of your interconnection of your WAN. So there are some advantages also. Okay, for the WAN, it covers a large geographical area. So long distance businesses can connect on the one network. So best example for the large geographical area is nothing but suppose the our company. So suppose our Indian company Infosys, its main branch is located at Bangalore. Okay, and same in Pune also, Mumbai also. Okay, in Hyderabad also, Delhi also, Chennai, Kolkata, all that major cities have established a different branches for the Infosys. They have interconnected each other via a WAN type. Okay, so after that, share a software and resources with connecting workstation. Different workstation we have to connect, we have to route. Okay, in centralized manner. Okay, so after that, message can send very quickly to anyone else on the network. So after that, expensive things such as printer, phone lines, or internet can be shared all the computers on the network without having to buy a different peripherals for each computer. After that, everyone on the network can use the same data. This avoids problem where some users may have older information than others. Okay, so after that, WAN disadvantages. Okay, so first disadvantages is need a good firewall to restrict outsiders from entering and disturbing the network. Okay, so we have to arrange the different software firewalls and hardware firewalls. Okay, to secure our data. After that, second point is setting up a network can be expensive, slow, and complicated. Okay, so because of this covers all the country to country region, that's why the cabling cost of the network is too much expensive. After that, third is one setup maintaining a network is full-time job, which requires a network supervisor and technicians to be employed. Means this is not a small task to maintain the network. It is a big task while we configure the network from country to country or within the country. It is a skilled persons who have to handle that WAN network. Okay, so after that, security is a real issue when many difficult people have the ability to use the information from other computers. After that, protection against hackers and viruses add more complexity and expensive. So these are some advantages of your points. So after that, PAN network, personal area network. So PAN stands for personal area network, a network covering a very small area, usually a small room. So after that, PAN can be wired or wireless. Okay, the best example for your PAN network is, suppose you have two computers. Okay, so you have to exchange the data between two computers. Suppose you have the laptop and desktop computer. You simply have to purchase one LAN wire and connect and configure and share the data from first computer to the second computer. The best example is nothing but you have used the mobile phones and you share the images, okay, using the different apps such as your Xender is there. Okay, so after that, remote uh, uh, configuration or hotspot. These are the some examples of your PAN network. The best known wireless PAN network technology is nothing but your Bluetooth, and the most popular wired PAN is USB. So Wi-Fi also serve as a PAN technology, since Wi-Fi is also used over a small area network. Using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, we share the small files and big files also, okay, or the small network, okay, small area. After that, this is the best example of your PAN diagram. Suppose this is the laptop and we have to share the different files and folders using the different locations. Suppose this mobile phone is interconnected to the laptop, headphone also interconnected to the laptop using the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules. Okay, so all remote sensing devices are used in this PAN personal area network. So after that, the advantages of your PAN. Okay, so the PAN is a personal network of one or two persons, so there is no risk of any leak of data. Means me and my friend, we have shared the file using the mobile phone or laptop. Okay, so this is the advantages of your networks. After that, the disadvantages of the network. Okay, so first disadvantages is nothing but the network, it can only travel straight up to the 10 meters. So if you observe the mobile phones, okay, so the mobile phone Bluetooth range is near about the 20 meters. Okay, 20 meter limit is there. Okay, so outside of the 20 meter, your both mobile phones are not communicate. Okay, using the Bluetooth. After that, the second its advantages is in the case of infrared or infrared sensor. Okay, straight line, otherwise it won't communicate. Okay, so this is infrared modules are old generation models for the transmission purpose. After that, transmission speed is slow and moderate. Okay, so as compared to the another types of network, this personal area network is transmission speed is comparatively low. Okay, so uh, these are some our points. Okay, so after that, last point is ad hoc network. So what is ad hoc network? A wireless ad hoc network, so it is called as WANet or MANET. Okay, is a decentralized type of wireless network. So after that, second point is the network is ad hoc because it does not rely on a pre-existing infrastructure such as router. In a wired network or access point is managed wireless network. So third point is ad hoc means without base station or access points. Okay, So in ad hoc network, we cannot require the base station or access point. Okay, so this is the diagram of your ad hoc network. Okay, so first is nothing but your figure is wireless networking with base station. Okay, so this is base station, and using the Wi-Fi module, we have to share the resources. Okay, we have communicate over the uh, wireless frequencies. Okay, so first, second, and third, these three laptops are communicate using the Wi-Fi module to the base station. After that, B. Okay, so this figure B is a ad hoc network. In ad hoc network, base station is missing. This first laptop should communicate second laptop, and second laptop should communicate the third laptop. Okay, understood all of you? Understood all of you? Okay, so these are some advantages of your ad hoc network. Ad hoc network can have more flexibility. It is better in mobility. Third is it can be turned up and turned down in a very short time. Fourth is it can be more economical. And fifth is it consider a robust network because of its non-hierarchical distributor control and management mechanism. Okay, after that, the disadvantages of your ad hoc network: hostile environment and irregular connectivity. Okay, suppose any laptop have or any device have any problem, so then fetching and communication should not be possible. Okay, so limited wireless range is there. Some hidden terminals are there. Okay, communication of messages means packet should be lost while communication. Okay, so routes are changes. Device heterogeneity means suddenly the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module should stop and whole network should collapse. Okay, so battery power constraints are there. Okay, so these are the topics which we have covered in today's session. Okay, so in next session we have to cover the different points. Okay, uh, different points such as your okay, topologies. Okay, so we are in today's session we have covered the all your introductory point of